The purpose of this video is to assist you with the setup of the Panduit PAT 4.0 automatic cable tie system. On the table, I have all the components required to set up the system properly. First, I have the PDM 4.0 dispenser. There's a power cord, a regulator and hose, a PHM feeder hose, a PAT 4.0 hand tool, a scrap bin, a reel arm, and an operation manual. Next, I'll show you the setup of the system. Here's how to mount the reel arm. There are two sets of holes in the back of the dispenser. If you use these two holes, the reel will sit directly above the dispenser, and we're going to use these two holes, and the reel will sit slightly off to the side. We recommend using these two holes for the cable ties to flow in at a more optimal angle. Now, take the hardware provided along with a 4mm wrench to mount the reel arm. Now, we'll attach the power cord to the back of the dispenser and also mount the scrap bin. First, make sure the power is in the off position. Then take this end of the power cord and put it into the back of the dispenser, and take the other end and put it in your outlet. Then, take the scrap bin and take these hooks and mount them over the screws that are on this side of the dispenser. Now, we'll mount the regulator and hose to the back of the dispenser. First, take this end of the hose, pull back on this fitting, and mount it to the dispenser fitting. Then, take your regulator and mount this fitting to your main air source. Now, we'll attach the PHM feeder hose and the PAT 4.0 hand tool to the dispenser. Take one end of the hose and attach it to the dispenser, and the other end of the hose and attach it to the hand tool. Then set the hand tool in the tool mounting bracket on the front of the dispenser. Now your PAT 4.0 system is set up for operation.